Starting a family can be a wonderful experience, but for some, it can be a frustrating and devastating journey. Tonight, a San Antonio veteran is sharing nearly 20 years of heartbreaking lessons. By telling her story, she's hoping to encourage others to never give up because miracles do happen.
I'm now down to 3 embryos, which I know it only takes one.
Air Force veterans Candace and Derwin Carr are ready to start a family.
I just want to be a mother.
10 years ago, Candace tried in vitro fertilization treatment. Last October, she got her first double pink line.
You get so excited seeing those 2 pink lines, and then it just disappears.
But Candace's joy was short-lived. Within 4 months, she had 2 miscarriages, her second on Valentine's Day.
I was able to produce the embryo, the egg in the embryo, but I'm having a hard time carrying. So I don't think that my body can actually take much more of trying.
October is National Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Month.
About 1 out of 5 pregnancies ends in loss.
Dr. Randall Robinson, chairman of obstetrics and gynecology at UT Health San Antonio, says roughly 15% of couples experience infertility.
So it is more common than people realize.
After trying infertility treatments like medications, artificial insemination, or surgery, he says many couples will progress to IVF, or assisted reproductive technologies.
The number of IVF cycles continue to grow and expand every year. I think last year was like 500,000 IVF cycles in the United States. Part of that is because we now have things that are available to couples that weren't available to them, in the past.
Age can be a big factor with infertility. Robinson says over the last 20 years, more women are choosing to have their first child at around 30 years old instead of 22 or 23 years old. Because of this, more women are freezing their eggs and embryos.
We always hear about 35 being the age where the biological clock is ticking a little faster, but the decline in fertility rates actually start happening earlier than a lot of women realize.
For those with recurrent pregnancy loss, treatment is available. Robinson encourages families experiencing infertility to talk to their doctor as early as possible.
Even if I'm unable to carry myself, we want to adopt.
This interview with Candace happened in late April. Since then, she says a miracle happened.
That's it. Baby.
She's 23 weeks pregnant. She and Derwin are expecting a baby girl due around mid-January.